You are what I'm looking for. I know what I'm looking for.
Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the Spellbinders Quick and Easy Card Kit of the Month for September 2023, Jump into Fall. Let's take a quick peek at the collection of products in this month's kit and we'll make some cards. So you get this bag full of goodies, and the first thing we've got here is some beautiful sparkly black sequins, and we also get foam tape and double-sided adhesive like you do in all of the kits. We get 2 sheets of chipboard stickers, a pack of note cards and envelopes. You also get 5 different colors of Spellbinders premium cardstock, so you get a total of 20 sheets, which is 5 full-size sheets of cardstock cut down to quarters. Then you have a pack of beautiful ephemera, a pack of puffy stickers, and then we have another set of puffy stickers that are just sentiments. And then we have the inspiration sheet that gives you all of the information about the products in the kit and a little sample. And then we have this beautiful bunch of pattern paper. So there's lots to choose from, a beautiful fall themed kit, and I'm going to jump right into making some projects for you. Now today I feel like I'm just going to play a little bit of music and let you watch my process, and we'll make some projects and then I'll catch you back on the other side. I hope you enjoy. Okay, so that's going to be it for today's video. Here's a close-up look at some of the projects that I've made. My favorite project from this kit were the two little squirrel tags. I loved them so much. I had so much fun, and I have tons of product left over to make so many more cards, and that's one of my favorite things about the Spellbinders Quick and Easy card kits. If you're new to my channel, I hope that you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed today's content. I'd love to have you along my card making journey. Coming up on screen are some videos I think you may enjoy. Have yourself a lovely day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!